Hot, it's real hot. But hey, you guys hungry? Come on, let's go make a midnight snack. Got a couple eggs, half a cup of oil, and a little water in this dish. Because we're making some brownies. Bing bong, bing bong. Remember to preheat your oven, and this time you gotta preheat it to about 350. And you wanna have it at 350. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so I'm gonna put these 2 eggs plus this little thing of oil into here with some water. Then I'm gonna mix this up. I'm gonna throw it right into this pan right here. Voila. But I gotta grease the bottom first. Then put it in the oven. Follow my hands. On to the next. Okay, we got 1 egg in. Dose eggs. Pour in the oil here. There we go. We're gonna add 3 cups of water. We're gonna mix this up by my hand. It's gonna be so good. So you want to keep this up until it's well blended. It's like another minute or so here. And you want to keep a spatula on hand as well, so you can scrape the ends and the bottom so that you get it all mixed up properly. Okay, so now we've got to grease the bottom of this. I'm just going to use some butter. Now it's just you and me here, so I'm just going to use my fingers. COVID be damned, I'm not sharing with anyone. So just give it a light coat like so. Bada bing, bada boom. Look at that, you're greased. Grease lightning. Okay. Greased, my friend. Alright, there you go, that's how it should look. Now we gotta add this into here. And then we'll put it into here. Right? Just like the magic of Hollywood, this is what we're dealing with. All ready to go into the oven. You can also put walnuts, chips, whatever you want to put in here. I'm going straight brownies. Maybe with some special butter. Nah, just joking, I use basil. All right, let's get this in the oven. Then we'll do the dishes. And then we'll be eating brownies. Oh, and I almost forgot. You throw it in the oven at 350 for 24 to 26 minutes. Then you can stop being a pig and eat some brownies. That's me, beefcake. Got my skewer. It's good to know Greek people. They keep these around. Let's go check the brownies, see if they're ready. Not quite. Not quite. Okay, so I've taken the brownies out. As you can see, looking really good. Smelling stupid delicious. Oh, we need smell-o-vision. Anyways, I don't have icing because I'm po. So I'm just going to let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, let it cool. And then it's going to go into my belly. Stick around. And here is the finished product. Right here we go, the brownie. Looking good, little crusted crust on the side. I should have had icing, but I don't. That's a nice looking brownie though. Look at that. Yum, yum, yum. So nice. Oh, and I got a little milk here to wash it down. The old tube. I'll let you know how it goes. Well, as you can see behind me, the dishes are done. Finally, no one will know. I'm gonna try this brownie out. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. I appreciate you taking time out of your busy day to hang out with me and watch me cook at midnight. Hot. Hot. Mmm. Just right for a midnight snack. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. If you didn't like the video, just hit the like and subscribe button anyways. Until next time, thanks for stopping by, everybody. Hot, real hot.